my channel. I am back with another video. I am feeling myself today. What the hell is today? Well, I don't know the actual date, but today is the day of the homecoming concert, and basically I really want to vlog this since this is going to be like my last actual homecoming. I'm going to enjoy it to the fullest. So this whole week actually has been homecoming week, you know, like a week of festivities. For people who don't know, I go to University of Maryland Eastern Shore, go Hawks, and we have our homecoming in the spring because we don't have a football team, so we celebrate with the basketball team. And basically, I'm trying to clean up as I go along, but I can't do both. But yeah, we celebrate with the basketball team, and yeah, today's the actual homecoming concert. So the concert is with Gucci Mane and New Impressionz. I'm hyped. Y'all don't know, I'm a huge Gucci fan. Like, I've been rocking with him since I was in 10th grade, so you can imagine how hyped I am. Plus, New Impressionz, they crank, they're a go-go band, so I'm excited. I got my outfit, and I'm literally preparing. Like, my day is over. All day I had to work. Now I'm preparing. So I'm about to clean up my room. I done ordered my food for after the party. I'm getting my little turn-up cup together. I'm trying to figure out who I'm hanging with, where I'm going, and then I'm gonna get dressed and slay. This is my last homecoming. You gotta do it up. So yeah, that's all I'm about to do. I think I told y'all in a previous vlog, I'm trying to get this wig thing together, so I have to go to my friend's place and do the wig there because she knows more about wigs than I do. But right now I'm waiting for my food, and I actually still have like a little, like teeny tiny bit of homework to do for this one class that gets on my nerves. So besides that, I think I won't have nothing to actually do. And honestly, by 6:30 I'm cutting not even 6:30, by 6:15 I'm cutting all that school stuff out because it's homecoming. I get one more chance at homecoming. I have 12 more weeks to make up my grades. Jazz's place to figure out this whole wig situation, because the only thing I can tell you about a wig is you wear them. So we're gonna see how that works. Goodness. Hi, darling. This what you wearing?
Yeah, hold on, I'll put you back. Bye-bye. Thank you. You got something?
Okay, so what happened was, as Ryan's vacuum cleaner, I'm supposed to go give it to him. He's not even there.
Wow.
So, I hope so. I'm about to get this little bit of homework out the way so I can do what I gotta do. Basically, I don't want to say that I have lots of homework. I just got teachers who get on my nerves. Like, one of my teachers, for the day after homecoming, even though homecoming ends at like 1 a.m. Oh, this is what I was looking for. And this, oh my gosh. Even though the homecoming concert ends at like 1 a.m., my teacher decided for both of her classes to have a test in one class and an exam in the other. I mean, a test and a quiz in her classes. So I can't miss that. Plus I have like this interview thing that I had to do, and I did the best that I could because I wasn't about to stress out about that, because like, my opinion on this is like, professors I understand they're doing their job, and I understand that even though it's homecoming week, they still have responsibilities. I understand that. But the homecoming concert is the only time where alumni come. Like, the campus is really, really lit. Everybody's happy and fun. And you know that the concert in general is going to be, like, lit. Like, people are going to be, you're on a college campus. People are going to be drunk. People are going to be, you know, turning up. And you know people are most likely not going to come anyway. So your incentive of making people come is not have your work due online, you know, like have it due at 11:59 or something. Your incentive is let's have a test. And it's like, you know, how bitter can you really be in life that you teach students who are in college where you know the only thing on this campus that's fun is homecoming, the homecoming concert or homecoming in general, and on the most lit day you decide to have a test, a quiz, and a homework assignment due within the matter of 2 days. Like, she gave the assignment Wednesday and it's due Friday, and today's Thursday. So like, if I didn't finesse it the way that I did, I probably would have a worse grade than what I'm most likely gonna get. But I mean, I did what I could. Like I said in the beginning, like, I only have one last homecoming. I have 12 weeks to make up you know, as much work as I can to bring up my grades.
A few moments later.
Nadia, say ooh.
She's a very freaky girl. Girl,